this might be the first time I'm having trouble with wind noise when I'm talking to you from inside the van. It's insane. We're currently parked up Cairngorm Mountain, and there is an actual blizzard happening. The wind speeds are up to about, I think they go as high as about 80 miles per hour at the moment, which is nuts. It's shaky enough to be knocking things over that are on the side of the van. So we've had like water bottles fall over and things like that. The snow, as you can see, is piling up as well. So it's very snowy. And yeah, it's like crazy. I've never experienced anything like this before. Just look at this. This is absolutely mad. Actually a bit scared. Just spinning us round, so we're actually going to face into the wind rather than being like buffeted, hit, blown into on the side of the van. So yeah, that's the, oh my gosh, it's so noisy. Good luck.
We are frozen.
So we're about to move on, head down the mountain. One small problem that we have that's preventing us escaping the blizzard is this. And our wipers are frozen. So obviously with frozen wipers you can't do the wiping. What have you got, Cam? What's going to do the job for you?
Spatula. Might have to pick up a scraper today. Oh, it's going to be fucking horrible.
No, not even a coat. Damn. I was optimistic putting my seatbelt on, wasn't I?
You are.
Well, is it easier to get out or to lean round? It might be easier to just get out.
Well, the door might slam on you. We can't just wait for it to melt.
I don't know what else I could do. I could go around the window. Like, should I do it? I can climb in your side if the door doesn't let me back in.
Yeah. Go on. It's not as easy as it looks. What's up?
I need a break.
A break?
Sorry.
A break?
I can't even reach.
It's alright, come back in. She looks so happy. Matt to the rescue, what a legend.
I need to come in this way.
What a legend.
Bye!
We might be back up. We might come back up tomorrow.
Yeah, I don't need to go down, so
No.
I'll probably just stay here.
Let us know how you get on.
Be careful.
Take
Cool,
care.
we'll see you in a bit. It's got worse, hasn't it, since we decided to leave? You feeling alright?
Yeah, I'm feeling fine.
Good. I'm a bit scared.
Belt's a bit cold.
Why is there snow inside?
Your window's not on.
Oh shit, man. Sorry, Mum.
It's meant to rain later. And if it rains and these roads are the way they are, it's just going to freeze and we might not be able to get back down.
God, it's so snowy.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see the tyre tracks. Doing alright, we are sliding a little bit, but just taking it easy. Going down the hills, being in a lower gear, going up the hills, being in a higher gear. We're alright. This is the steepest bit. I'm in second. Still got first gear to fall back on. There's quite a few people that look like have come down here.
Yeah.
You can see the salt as well on the road, so it's pretty good. Odin, on the floor.
It is just tied with rope, but I don't know what the protocol is for like...
As long as we do it back up.
Do you think we can? Is that like allowed?
Well done.
I feel so illegal.
Last night we parked up just down there and the gates are still shut. But we're just taking the boys on a walk now. And I think we're then going to go and get a coffee from Cabin Coffee. So yeah, that'll be really nice. Ready? Yeah? Why not? Let's go this way.
Little forest trail.
Whoa. That was icy.
Yesterday was kind of pure insanity, and so much happened in one day that it doesn't even feel like that was one day to me. Like, does it feel like we were in that blizzard yesterday?
Yeah. I don't know, because it started from like the early hours of the morning.
It just dragged on and on.
Yeah, it's fun though.
It was so fun. I think it was a little scary. I'm gonna say it was a little touch and go in parts. I was nervous, but I think it was even more so like exhilarating and exciting and new. Like we've never experienced anything like that before. The snow and the wind together was just insanely powerful and kind of a little bit magic as well, to be honest.
Yeah.
But yeah, so today we've booked ourselves in for a much more relaxed day. And yeah, I think what today has in store for us is dog walk and chill. We're gonna go pick up coffee as well, and yeah, I guess just find somewhere relaxing to stop off later. Today is the day where we're coming back to breathing again and taking it slow. There's still the remnants of snow on the ground. You wouldn't believe the amount of it we had yesterday just seeing this, would you? I feel like I'm making it up. Go on. Come on. A really nice walk, and now we're just on our way to go and see Cabin Coffee, and we've been really meaning to swing by there and have a coffee ever since we got to the Cairngorms, really, and here we are and a month later finally making the time for it. So yeah, a nice little mid-morning treat. A few days later, and we're parked up in Tomintoul, which is one of our favourite places in the Highlands. I think we've said that a few times on the channel. It was a legitimately crazy few days, but equal measures like fun and scary. We had an absolutely great time, and I just want to reinforce that we did check the weather in advance, we were safe, we didn't move until we knew it was okay, and yeah, we just didn't want to put ourselves or anyone else in danger, right? But we just wanted a wild experience, and I think we absolutely got what we wished for there. It was wonderful, and I've never experienced anything like that before. The wind speeds were crazy. Yeah. What's going on here, boys? What are you growling for? Horton's a bit sleepy, I think. Is that what it is? Is that what it is? But yeah, well, thank you for watching this week's video, and I will see you again next week. Take care. Bye.